What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's about that time. We're going for a ride today in a 1965 Mustang. A little 289 up under the hood. Should be a fun ride. I'm gonna point out all the flaws, anything that I can find. That way you know the car before you get here. Check out maplemotors.com. Lots of detailed photos, finance options, and yeah, we can ship these cars all over the US. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's check it out in here. Go ahead, take the poll. Do you think the horn works? Look at the dash and everything. It's nice and clean. A little bit warped here from the sun, but it's not all ripped up or anything. Go ahead and start her up. Interior's nice and clean in this car. Headliner looks great. About to take her off down the road here. Engine's still cold. I literally just started it and pulled it over here. Started this video up. Gas gauge should be correct on this one. It does come up. We'll go ahead and try the wipers. They do work. Try the radio out. See if it works. Pretty old school here. It probably don't. Leave it on a second. Blower motor. It's working. No AC on this car, so we're cutting that off. Should you take your bet on the horn? What in the world? It's making some popping noises though. I wonder what's going on with that. It's trying to work. Y'all hear that? Let's take off down the road. So yeah, we getting ready to take off. I'm pretty sure the horn is trying to make the radio work. Got my seatbelt on. Yeah, check this out. It's coming through that speaker. It's trying to make the... Wow. Alright. Anything I see that may be wrong with this car, I will let you know. Go ahead and check my brakes before we get too far out. Traffic looks kind of light at the moment, which is good. Because it is 3:30 and it's about to get heavy, I know that. Speedo is coming up on this car. Steering's pretty tight. Kickdown's hooked up. Gets down pretty good. Gas gauge is floating around. We had somebody pull out in front of us. Nice. I gotta cut everybody off. Y'all see that? It's like having a dash cam. You get to catch all the crazies out driving. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. The brakes feel great. Turn signal does not kick off automatically. You're gonna have to manually kick it off every time you turn. That temperature gauge is starting to come up. This car runs and drives pretty good. Suspension feels nice and smooth. get up here to the park today and get some outside shots. I put all my gear down below in the description. I did pick up some new camera mics. I'm still getting used to them. I'm not using it right now, but some of the outside footage you'll be able to tell. I used it on the convertible Mustang I just posted earlier today. But it does take quite a bit of time. We're switching all these cameras out. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff ready and we're gonna get some outside shots. This car drives awesome, by the way. One thing I have noticed. Oh yeah, getting y'all set up and adjusted here for the virtual ride. So that temperature's a little below halfway, so it's been staying nice and cool. Got some shots of the outside of the car. We'll head on back to the lot now. You hear them tires? They're so loud when they grab the road. I had to stop and make sure they weren't flat because I was like, man, they sound like they're flat. They weren't. Just old style tires here. Once we turn up here, we're coming up on that road that has the big speed bump in it. Just went a little bit different route today. Might start taking some different routes. Try to break routine here. Sorry about me turning my head so much. I just don't want nobody to hit this beautiful car here. This is the road with the speed bump, about halfway up. Gonna hit it at a moderate speed. And it's nice and smooth. I already know it's gonna be smooth. Oh yeah. There we go, we got the green light, baby. All right, we haven't done this in a while either. We're gonna stop through Brian's. Hit up his shop. He's moved his shop actually. So what he did up here, this guy can get you wheels, tires, parts, accessories. If you buy a car from us, he's expanded and bought all these shops. He does all the big dealers for new trucks and makes custom packages. But check him out. We'll stop here. I'll look. He's got his own website, briansmotorsports.net. Very cool customization shop. He's built something awesome out back. Y'all will have to check out. You've changed it a lot out here. We'll head on back to the lot now. We'll come back down here and I'll do a little story mode on his garage. Wait till y'all see it. Y'all are gonna be like, wow. He's really went big on that one. Heading on back to the lot. I may be able to get one more car done today. At least get some footage. That way I can post for y'all tomorrow morning. It is a 66 Chevelle that I need to get done. Excited to show y'all. Made it back to the lot. This car runs and drives great. Want you to check out detailed photos of the underside, inside and out. And she goes over everything that I may have missed. I tried to do a full walk around and test drive. Looked like I left a blinker on here, showing that it does work though. That's something else that I don't mention in the videos. We do like spreadsheets, and we'll check turn signals, headlights, kind of go over everything that works and don't. So if you want that specifically for your car that you're buying from us, we can do that. But definitely check out maplemotors.com. Finance options are all over that page, along with shipping. I can ship these cars all over the US. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, share these videos. You're helping us get out there. You're helping us get more subscribers. If you do subscribe, you can hit the little bell and you'll see all the new cars that we post. I post something every day. I might miss every once in a while, but majority of the time, it's every day. I work Monday through Saturday, and I have off pretty much Sunday, so I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.